Did some of the sitting justices on the Supreme Court lie about Roe versus Wade? Many justices who are about to overturn Roe and Casey swore that precedent was settled and that principles of stare decisis require Roe versus Wade to remain in place. If they were lying, is there a penalty? Well, Senator Susan Collins would certainly be upset. She said, quote, "If this leaked draft opinion is the final decision and this reporting is accurate, it would be completely inconsistent with what Justice Gorsuch and Justice Kavanaugh said in their hearings and in our meetings in my office. The thing is, Supreme Court justices have life tenure. Life tenure means life tenure, and the only remedy is impeachment, which basically has never happened in modern history."